And we are rolling.
Sound speeds.
Scene 4, butthole, take 1, Mark.
That right there is why I won't drink Jaeger in Vegas no more. One earth-shattering, drunken, fuck. That right there is why I won't drink. Fuck is wrong with me? A lot, apparently. All right. One life-altering, earth-shattering shit. Dang, that smells good. Fuck, I can't remember my line. I'll try that again.
Bo.
This message is from the Foundation of Idiots. You know how Walmart done has straight talk? Well, this one come from one of them rental center type joints. It's called No Talk. And you get 5 minutes a month on your plan. Now, if you go over that 5 minutes, they just cut your phone off forever. I think I'm at about 2 minutes right now.
How many internet messages can you send?
What's an internet?
It's like a little text or something.
Is that like that spider web thing on the computer?
Yeah.
Is that what it is? Oh, we's all connected somehow.
That's where you find all the pictures of Lulus on the interwebs.
Well, yeah, I mean, you know that one site, you know, it's got all the celebrity nudes and whatnot on it. Man, I'm telling you what, she has shot up the rankings on that thing. I mean, I think she started off at about 223, and now she's somewhere around 7 or 8 now. I mean, she's just right behind Alyssa Milano, but she'll catch her. Dang, that smells good. Why can't I remember that line? I'm just too hungry.
Dang, that smells good, man. I'm so hungry. I can eat the ass end of a water buffalo. How did we forget that line?
I am that hungry right now, actually. All right.
Scene 4, Baker, take 4, Mark.
Okay. Action movie.
You talking about Doofus, you little Chichewa? That ain't right, is it? Chichewa? Oh, you talking about Doofus, your little Chichewa? That what?
It's Chihuahua.
That's what I said. Chichewa. Why can I not say that fucking word?
Chewbacca.
I'll chew your bacca.
Whoa.
I bet everybody else wants to chew your bacca too.
Tobacco.
So,
Chihuahua.
Damn dog. God, I'm terrible. You talking about Doofus, your little Chewbacca? You talking about Doofus, your little Chalupa?
Chihuahua.
Slurpee. Slurpee. Oh man, I'd love to get a Slurpee about right now. That'd be awful good. It's hot in here.
Action movie. Oh, you forgot.
Oh, I did? Oh, are we recording? Oh, shit. You talking about Doofus, you little Chumbawamba?
Jufus?
Jufus.
Jufus?
Chumbawamba. Boy,
Alright.
people are going to be pissed off about that one. You talking about Doofus, you little chunky monkey? Yeah, little...
You're just a hungry ass.
Chip that. Little Cherry Garcia. Chip that. Yeah. Well, you just pour water on it. Yeah, chia. You pour water on it and just watch it grow. It explodes. You know, of course. Oh, is it lunchtime yet? Yeah.